another YouTube production from this channel. We are going to head down to Albert Whitted SPGs to get some breakfast. Hopefully get there, come back, and it'll be a fun little flight. New person on board today. Well, I say new person, he's been on board before, but I'm not going to spoil the surprise, although it's probably already well known. So I'm just going to let the video do the talking, and I will see you guys in the airplane. I can't see shit because of that sun. Anyway, we are... Alright, I'm speak a bit louder. We are here. I got here thinking that I was flying 781 Bravo Golf. I'm not. I'm flying 536 Hotel Foxtrot. I started recording. I started doing a time lapse, which you've probably just seen. And then student and her instructor came along, and she's like, "I'm flying 781 Bravo Golf." Ah, I'm in 536 Hotel Foxtrot. So why is there more planes starting? Also in today's little video, there's going to be a little bit of outtakes, which you're just about to see, and it's just going to be a sketch that we're just going to mess up. I know it already.
Oh, here we go! 6-pack of instruments, my Yorks there, the flaps are there. In fact, this door handle works, so that's yes.
Mate, how the fucking hell are you? How you been?
I didn't say about the instructor, sorry. Oh yes, here we go. Got my throttle, got my mixture.
Mate, how the hell have you been? How's things?
Yeah, going well. You alright?
Yeah, pretty good, pretty good.
What are you doing here?
I'm flying with you. You're doing the ATP thing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm the instructor.
What, for scuba?
No, I'm doing...
I'm so sorry. Okay. Here we go. I should turn the engine on. I got my throttle. Okay, here we go. I got my throttle. I got my mixture control.
Mate, how the hell have you been? How's things?
Yeah, been alright. How are you?
Yeah, pretty good.
Are you flying out? What are you doing?
Yeah, no, you're doing the ATP thing, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm the instructor.
Fuck off.
Alright, so on the roll, just to be serious, on the roll we're going to apply full brakes if anything malfunctions, but below 100 feet, equal braking. Below 100 feet, any room remaining, we're going to pitch down 65, land on any room remaining that we have. Above 100 feet, below 700 feet, we're going to pitch down for 65, look forward, left and right, and then 130 degrees. Most likely, it could be that field over there, or it could be the lake, depending on what the altitude is. Above 700 feet, we're going to look about swinging around for probably runway 31 over here. And I think I'm happy if you're happy.
Roger.
Okay.
With summer.
Easy for the climb. What? No! So what we're going to do is, mate, we're going to make our way around the north side of the Disney TFR and then follow it round to St. Pete, Albert Whitted. Just go direct after the TFR. Okay. Who's winning?
Me actually, I've got a few of hers. She keeps missing, man. I've left this open space here.
Yeah, it's a bastard when you do that, isn't
I know.
it? Yeah, you
fucking throws them right. Oh,
yeah.
Here we go.
Oh,
we got a hit. I'm playing battleships.
Yeah.
Bang. So it must be there. Another one gone.
Oh, look at that. Jesus, nice.
I've nearly won.
Oh, bang!
Got another hit. Now does it go up or across?
Oh, I don't know.
We're going up.
Yeah, I would say up.
Oh, bang!
She's predictable.
Oh, another one.
She's predictable.
Yeah, see, at least I know my girlfriend.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh, I didn't get it.
Oh, you got 2 in one go.
She's gonna be fucking devastated.
She is. Whitted Tower, Skyhawk 536, Hotel Foxtrot is 11 miles to the east, inbound for a full stop with the weather.
Skyhawk 60 Foxtrot, Whitted Tower, enter right down, wind runway 7. Wind calm, altimeter 3013, and squawk 0152.
Let's go up 0152, enter right downwind for runway 7. 6 Hotel Fox. So, why are we squawking?
Probably just squeaking seals.
Why are we squawking?
Yeah, listen, track on gave us a call and
Driver, your traffic short final, runway 7, clear touch and go.
said you may need an assist.
Yeah, I hope it's that. Track over's call, it looked like you were heading to McDill.
Yeah.
If you look behind you, you got a couple of F-16 and a new Raptor F-22.
They got a bit jumpy, they tend to do that. My suggestion is don't get out of that plane because you'll get cuffed.
On this frequency, and then use
How much fuel you got?
21.
Right, 3.5 hours. Yeah, use it. That threshold's displaced.
It is displaced. Now, if you get that reference, you are a true fan.
Yeah.
This is how you land the efficient way.
Dive and drive.
Wow. Review, how was it?
I've got an screw card in my mouth. Yeah, pretty decent. Belgian waffle, it said, but it was just a waffle with a bit of syrup on it, nothing Belgian about it. I was expecting powdered sugar, and there was nothing Belgian about it. Belgian waffles usually contain chocolate or some sort of powdered sugar or something like that. So that was my assumption.
Okay, after much trial and error and trying to figure it what we're going to do out here, we have actually just finished at St. Pete. Just finished eating some food at the hangar here, really good, Albert Whitted. Gotta go there if you haven't already. We are actually now going to head back to Orlando Executive. Lewis over here is going to take that leg for the video. I've already done my portion, and I think that you should go over to his channel over there. I don't know, I'm going to put a link somewhere over here, and you should go over and see his channel. You can probably hear him. So,
Also something on screen, yeah, I'm plugging you. I'll give you a bit of a plug. If you plug me.
yeah, I put a card in this corner.
Very
again.
good, yeah. Come over to Ludix Aviation. We're lovely people over here at Ludix Aviation.
People, it's you. Stop speaking about yourself in third person.
Come on, man.
Anyway, go and check his channel out. Link in the description, the link up there, and go and check the video. Alright, I will see you guys in the next video.